Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today is product day. Okay, and you know what product day is? Product day is when we introduce you to the products that we use around here in the shop. So if you ever wanted to learn how to make professional business cards, in this video, we're gonna show you how to do it today. We're gonna show you how to go from this to this to this. So stay tuned, and we're gonna start this video now. What's up, guys? Good morning. This is a quick video about how I make my business cards. All right. So these are business cards printed out on cardstock. And what I'll be doing now is I'll be cutting them in the business card size, like this. So, all right. Not the fold over paper that you get from Office Depot that you break it and, we're gonna cut them so they be all uniform. So you want a professional looking card, and you want them to be all uniform. So that's what we're gonna do this morning. This is just a quick video. It might be about 3 to 5 minutes, but but this is what we're doing today. I print this off on my laser printer, and like I said, this is cardstock. You can get it anywhere online. It's just 80-pound cardstock. You have 80-pound index, and you have 80-pound cover. This is 80-pound cover. All right. So let's get started. All right. So what that side does is it slices it in half, and it trims off the excess. Slice it in half, trims off the excess. So I don't see a lot of comments in a lot of my videos. So if y'all can comment, let me know what y'all doing. Ask questions so I know, what I need to do in my next videos, or if I need to update the videos that I already have on it. But like I said, we just opened this morning, and I need to get this order out to a customer this morning. So, and also if you're on the coast area and you need a licensed quality HVAC service person, contact Davis. Call him, and you can call him at that number. He works the coast wide, from Louisiana, Mississippi, I think some part of Alabama to Mobile area, but mostly on the coast, all the coast areas all the way over to New Orleans. So if you need any type of HVAC services, give him a call. All right. So let's go and finish these up. Yeah. So again, we not only print t-shirts, we not only print banners, we not only print yard signs, we print vehicle decals. I know you've seen a lot of these Hellcats with the decals on them. It's just basic vinyl. Some of them have printed vinyl, just like buses, police cars, all this vinyl. We do all that. Ambulance, all this vinyl. Yeah, so, yeah, we do all that. Print business cards, stickers, and if you sell shirts, we also print, we print DTF prints, we print sublimation prints, we print sublimation up to 44 inches. We have the large format, and we can also print as small as 8.5 by 11. But if you're into doing all over prints, all over shirts, like the 3D shirts, some people call them. Yeah, we sell those prints also. Yeah, so, all right. So now that we have all our halves, then we're gonna cut the 5 cards out of each side. Okay. So, all right, we're gonna go to this part of the machine. This part of the machine, the cards sit in the top. All right. And they come out like that. All right. And the excess drops out the side. So we have 5 clean cards. Uniform professional business cards. All right. So let's finish this up. I don't want to make this video too long, but I just want to show you guys the process of how we do business cards. Like I said, you can use, you can also use the foldable business cards, the business card paper. If your printer doesn't allow you to use heavy card stock to print, use the you can use the foldable paper, and that works also. And you can also cut this with cut the foldable paper with this also. So if y'all want to know where I got this, I'll leave a link in the description of this video to show you where you can go get this at. So, all right. Now they have larger cutters. They have different type of cutters, but I don't print a lot of business cards right now, so I don't need that right now. So this works good for my shop right now. So, all right, finish this up. I'm actually gonna just roll through these so you can see how quick this process is. Don't take that long. Yeah, most of the time the problem is getting getting the card stock, it doesn't stay in stock most of the time. But so when I do get it, I try to stock up on it. So, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock these out. Almost done. Yep, and there we go. All right. There we go. Clean up the ends. Pick up the cards. Put them together. So, again, like I said, it's just a little quick video to show you how you can print and cut professional business cards for your customers. Not only for your customers, for yourself. So, like I said, I'll leave a link to this in the description of this video. Also, I'll leave a link to the printer that I use and the type of ink that I use. Yeah. So you'll have nice quality prints. High quality business cards. And your customers will return and spread the word. Okay. So there we go. $100 uniform business cards. Uniform. All the same shape, cut to perfection. So there you go. All right, guys. Again, thank y'all for watching this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and keep printing.